Hey friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this easy one-pan baked salmon and veggies. This is an easy peasy dinner. You put everything in one pan, bake, and it's ready in no time. Let's get started. We're using 4 salmon fillets for this recipe. Make sure your salmon is very well patted dry. We don't want any liquid on the salmon. We're going to make a simple marinade for the salmon. So in this bowl, I have some olive oil. Into that, I am adding smoked paprika, some cayenne pepper, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, some dried oregano, dried thyme, a little bit of brown sugar, some lemon juice, and last we're adding salt and black pepper to taste. I'm going to leave all ingredients and measurements in the description box. Go ahead and mix everything together. Then we're going to smear the marinade on both sides of the salmon. Once we're done seasoning the salmon, we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes to marinate while we work on the rest of the ingredients. We're going to partially cook some baby potatoes in salted boiling water for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once the potatoes have partially cooked, I'm going to drain, then transfer them into a mixing bowl. Next, we're going to drizzle some olive oil over the potatoes, then season with garlic powder, oregano, salt, and black pepper. Go ahead and mix everything together very well, then set aside. Next, we're going to season some asparagus with the same ingredients as the potatoes. I've gone ahead and added some olive oil, garlic powder. I'm adding some oregano, salt, and black pepper. Go ahead and toss everything together very well. Then we're going to assemble everything onto one pan. I'm greasing my pan with some olive oil. Then I'm going to place the salmon in the middle. Then the potatoes and asparagus will go on either side. Next, I'm squeezing the juice from half a lemon all over the salmon and veggies. And then I'm placing a lemon slice on top of each fillet. Make sure your oven is preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Place this into the oven to bake for 15 to 18 minutes. And here it is when it's out of the oven. This meal has a delicious aroma. The salmon, potatoes, and asparagus came out so good together. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!